How to remove background noise from voice recording. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that you need a CapCut app. If you are using PC you need to use CapCut Windows. So I will simply open CapCut. It's available on Play Store and App Store. So simply click on CapCut. Once we click on CapCut, here you guys will see new project. So I will simply click on new project. Now here I will simply upload blank pic, or if you have your voice recording in videos, you can simply import the video. Now I will simply import my voice recording that have noise and I want to clean up. So for that I will simply click on audio. Now you guys can see extract. So in extract you guys can extract your voice from videos recordings. Also when you click on sounds, here you guys will see that type of interface. Now simply click on that file, and here you guys will see device. So in device you guys will simply see your voice recording. So import it. So I will simply import my voice recording. I imported my voice recording. So before enhancing, let's play it like how it was before, and I will play it after result. Hello, hello. I am Fixit. Hello. You guys can see I have background noise. So for cleaning that, I will simply click on that voice. Now here you guys will see on downside record split volume. So I will simply scroll. Here you guys will see isolate voice, enhance voice, reduce noise. So I will simply click on reduce noise, and after that I will turn on it. Now I will simply click on that mark. After that I will click on enhance voice. Here you guys will see enhance voice and that button. So I will simply turn on it, and I will select noise cleanup on 100. So I will simply turn on it.
Hello,
Hello,
hello.
hello. After selecting noise cleanup on 100 and turn on enhance voice, I will simply click on that arrow. And once I did that, let's play our voice how it was. You guys can compare it before and after. Hello, hello. I am Fixit. Hello. You guys can see the background noise was removed completely and the voice was now clean. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.